Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Nissan Sentra transmission fluid. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is at operating temperature. This is crucial for an accurate reading. You'll need to access the transmission, which is often a sealed unit, meaning there isn't a traditional dipstick. The process involves specific steps to ensure proper fluid levels and prevent damage to your vehicle's transmission system. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Park your Nissan Sentra on a completely level surface. This is absolutely essential for an accurate fluid level check. Allow the engine to reach its normal operating temperature, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes of driving. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from hot components and fluids during the process. For many Nissan Sentra models, checking the fluid involves specific plugs. You'll need to locate the transmission fill plug, which is usually found on the side of the transmission case. Below that, you'll find the drain plug. Inside the fill hole, there's often a small overflow tube. This tube helps determine the correct fluid level when the transmission is at the proper temperature and running. With the engine running and at operating temperature, carefully remove the fill plug. If the fluid level is correct, a small amount of fluid should slowly drip or seep out of the fill hole. If no fluid comes out, you'll need to add the correct type of transmission fluid until a slow, steady stream begins to flow from the fill opening. Reinstall the plug securely once complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.